I'm Brett at Guidewise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide certain words from comments or DMs that you might see on Instagram. First, we'll open up Instagram and we'll click our profile icon on the bottom right. Then we'll click the three lines on the top right. First, we're going to scroll down to the How Others Can Interact With You section. Then we'll click Hidden Words. Here, we'll scroll down to the bottom and then click the Manage Custom Words and Phrases. Here, you're going to add any particular words that you want right here, and then click the Add button. Once you have your list of words, you can go back and then you can toggle on Hide Comments and then Hide Message Requests. Now, message requests means it's only going to be people that are requesting to message you rather than messages from people that you interact with regularly or that, you follow each other. These are, fresh faces. If there happens to be somebody that's going to send you a DM out of the blue with a word that you don't like, it'll hide that. And then obviously hiding comments, it will hide that if you have that toggled on. Now you are all set to hide any words from those two areas that you particularly choose you don't want to see.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.